I literally just got 300 extra subscribers off this tip. And this tip is called. What's up guys, it's Practical Entertainers here. Back at it again with another amazing video. Now, today I will be showing you guys a easy and effective method to promote your business, YouTube channel, or any niche of choice that requires promoting. Please ensure that you watch the full video to get the full experience. A lot of viewers tend to click off the video when they learn something new and they become eager to try it out. That would lead to a lot of misunderstanding, and this method wouldn't work as well as you thought it would have. And if you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and hit that subscribe button that says PE on the bottom right of the screen. Okay guys, let's get on with the video.
Starting the countdown. In 3, in 2, 1. Let's go.
Alright guys. The first couple of tips I will be explaining is if you're trying to build a YouTube channel. The first tip is how to use different platforms to promote your business. One platform that I highly recommend is old but still a trending social platform, also known as Facebook.
What? What the fuck?
Now, hold on people. I know exactly what you're thinking. Why is this guy telling me to use Facebook? Okay, let me explain this. Facebook has a feature where you can join Facebook groups depending on your niche. These groups tend to have a community of up to 600,000 people. That's a lot for just a community. Right? Me for instance, I joined an income money method group. That group is mainly about different ways you can generate different streams of income without paying a fee. What was good about that Facebook group was that I was able to talk to many different people and collect different ideas to add to my own methods. Now, one of the mistakes that a lot of people do when using Facebook groups is instantly linking back to their business. What do I mean? I'll explain. The reason in joining the group is to learn new ways to make different streams income. Right? Now, unlike some people, they join groups to instantly promote their personal brand instead of actively participating within the community. That overall makes you look very desperate and selfish. Now the way you should do it is to show that you're trying to share information instead of trying to force a promotion. But the way promoting would work is if you are able to convince whoever you're promoting to that your information or content can help them the best way possible. Overall, Facebook is very much underrated. Also very useful when it's needed. But it would only work if you allow yourself to make it work. Okay guys, quick announcement. So if you want to learn more promotion tips for YouTube, you can click the link in the description below to watch my previous video explaining different ways to develop your channel on YouTube properly in order to generate income. Now the next tip I have for you guys is small but very effective. That is no other than business cards. Business cards are extremely effective marketing tools. A clever, creative, well-designed and professionally printed business card is a great way to get referrals. Business cards are great value for money marketing. And they are also super effective and easy to produce at little cost compared to other forms or marketing. Another thing that is great about business cards is that you can go anywhere in the world and promote your business or personal brand. The best way you can just from small cheap cards made from paper with information on it. This tip is completely underrated but is known to be one of the most effective promotion methods ever created. Top-notch businesses uses cards and highly recommend them because it's on a high professional level of promotion. 1. Because it's very cheap to create. And 2. It will help hook your audience or buying customers towards your personal brand. The next tip I have for you guys is the best tip to understand. And that is no other than investing.
How about no?
Yeah, he needs to invest in some anger management. But the reason why investing into your business is so important is because investing ensures present and future long-term financial security. The money generated from your investments can provide financial security and income. One of the ways investments like stocks, bonds, and ETFs provide income is by way of a dividend. You don't want to waste your hard-earned money on clothes or materialistic things that can wait. You are better off buying items that can earn you money than causes you to lose it. Investing can teach lifelong lessons and can change your perspective on how to spend money. Speaking into the topic about money, I will be giving you guys a bonus tip that will ensure success later down the line. And that is having more than one stream of income. Do you want to know why a lot of rich people stay rich? Yup, you guessed it. It's because they keep a constant flow of income from different streams. Example. I do affiliate marketing. YouTube. The upcoming Practical Entertainers clothing business. And furthermore. But my top 3 streams of income is affiliate marketing, my regular part-time job, and freelance servicing. And from those 3 I made at least over $2,000 in 2 weeks altogether. Insane, right? Alright guys, this concludes the video. Comment down below if you want to see a part 2 to this. If so, make sure you stay tuned because I have tons more of information to share with you guys. Make sure you guys stay consistent. Dream big. Live and love your life. And most of all, motivate others to better themselves. That is the purpose of this channel. To let people know that dreams are achievable. I am Jaden Miller, proud CEO of Practical Entertainers. Love you guys and I'll see you in the next one. Explosion.